Farmer's market, mini haul. I didn't buy that many things, but I went to tea shop, got some more tea. I went to the same farmer's market last month. They have monthly farmer's markets on Sundays before it's like spring, summer. And I also last time got a little bookmark. And they donate books for kids with every purchase, so that's cool. And there is a bookstore in the truck. Mobile bookstore is like like one of those it looks like a moving truck or something. Like you can step into the back of it, and then there's shelves and books. And so I bought a book today. have never read this book before, but it is a classic. James Joyce, Dubliners. And today was the Celtic Irish, no, Celtic Irish market, Celtic market, whatever they called it, I forgot. But last month, since it was February, it was like Valentine's themes. And last time, I found a person who does crochet, and I bought this crochet head warmer. Last time it was rainy and cold, and it was cold, but it's very cute actually. And then I also bought last time this little octopus. So cute. I think that using my front facing camera to film things lowers the quality. Alas, work with what you got. But this time I bought a crochet plant. A little hanging plant. I know exactly where I'm gonna put this in my room. So cute. By Crafty Chemist US. That's the Instagram handle, Crafty Chemist _US. And there is she has an Etsy shop, but she's local, so I just went to the market because I follow her on Instagram and she followed me back, which is pretty cool. And then I was seeing what she was making, and I was like, I need this crochet plant to bring more life into my room without having to take care of it like real life plants. But you can see on the inside, it's like green and brown for the soil. So cute. Oh my goodness. You have to keep like rebalancing the leaves because it's gonna tip over. But that's okay. And then I got a little lucky charm because Irish St. Patrick's Day next week. My to be read book stand needs to be taller so I don't keep cutting my head off. I do have books to put on my to be read book stand because last time I went to the mobile bookshop, I bought 2 books. But they're at like resale prices, except for like the new ones. She has like a whole shelf of like new books, so that was on market price, which is, MSRP, which is full price. And there's a book there that was cool that I read a couple pages in that I might want to read, but I heard about it. I think it might be a little bit dark in the content warnings. I'm not sure. But I did not want to pay $20 for a book. So I paid $6 for a book. It was really nice outside. It was sunny, but also kind of cold in the shade. This is my Louis Vuitton lanyard. It has my key and my wallet, or my, cards and stuff, in a little pouch. And my cardigan. Ooh. And it was nice to be outside for 3 hours to get some sun. But it was kind of too hot in the shade to sit for too long. And too hot in the sun to sit for too long. And then too cold in the shade to sit for too long. So, didn't really like sit and read or write or anything. But got some retreats and went to some cool boots and stuff. And I don't know if I'll go to the one next month. Maybe it depends on the theme. or if I run out of tea, or if I need to buy another crochet item. So cute, it's just a little 4-leaf clover. Okay, I'll get it out though. Well, that's okay. Little 4-leaf clover. I suppose you could hang it on something. I don't know. Now it's a keychain. That's cute, actually. Don't know the structural integrity of that, but it is still cute. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog about my market trip and a nice day outside. And I hope you're having a good day whenever you're watching this, whatever month, time of the year, etc. Sunnier outside for an hour longer, maybe? I don't know. It's sunnier outside because it's daylight savings time, so the sun goes down later right now. That's the time of the year it is when I am filming this video, which is cool. Sunshine is nice, and happy March, or happy whenever I post this video.